Let's be honest, "I'm too busy to cook" is just an excuse. You're not saving time with takeout, you're sacrificing your health and energy. But what if you could have vibrant, healthy meals faster than delivery? It's not about hours in the kitchen, it's about being smart and prepared. Today, I'll show you 5 fast, delicious meals that fuel your body and help you lose weight. No more excuses, no more sluggish afternoons. Ready to eat like a champion? Let's get started. SlimSync's got you covered. Let's dive in. First up, the Mediterranean Lentil and Feta Jar, a grab-and-go lunch you'll actually crave. The secret? Layering. Start with a zesty lemon vinaigrette at the bottom, add cooked, rinsed lentils for protein and fiber, your energy source. Next, diced cucumber, cherry tomatoes and thinly sliced red onion for crunch and freshness. Crumble quality feta over the veggies for creamy, salty tang. Toss in a handful of Kalamata olives for briny depth. Top with fresh greens, spinach or arugula, so they stay crisp. When it's time to eat, shake the jar to mix everything and pour into a bowl. In 5 minutes, you've got a vibrant, filling salad that beats any sad sandwich. Packed with fiber and protein, it keeps you full and energized. Make several jars on Sunday, lunches sorted for the week, no more soggy salads or boring meals. This is meal prep that actually works for you. Healthy eating doesn't have to be bland or time-consuming. It's simple, smart, and perfect for weight loss. Stop making excuses. Start layering. Be a salad genius, not an idiot sandwich. Try it tonight. Next, spicy tuna and cucumber roll-ups, the ultimate no-cook, high-protein snack. Use quality tuna packed in water or olive oil, drained and flaked. Mix with sriracha for heat, Greek yogurt for creaminess, and a squeeze of lime. Add chopped chives or spring onions for freshness. Taste and adjust. Make it your own. Peel long ribbons from a cucumber to use as your wrap. Lay out the ribbons, add a spoonful of tuna mix and roll up tightly. The result? Crisp, refreshing, spicy bites that take minutes to make. These roll-ups are low-carb, high-protein and totally satisfying, perfect for lunch, snacks or post-workout fuel. Make the tuna mix ahead and assemble roll-ups as needed. Ditch the bread and crackers, this is smart, healthy eating. The textures and flavors are a total game changer. No cooking, no fuss, just pure nutrition. Healthy eating can be this easy and delicious. Stop reaching for junk, get rolling. Your body, and taste buds, will thank you. Try it now. You'll never look at tuna the same way again. Think microwaves are just for leftovers. Think again. Make a hot, elegant meal in 5 minutes. Microwave salmon and asparagus packets. Lay tender asparagus on parchment paper, drizzle with olive oil, salt and pepper. Top with a skinless salmon fillet. Your protein and omega-3 powerhouse. Season with salt, pepper, dill, and lemon slices. Fold and seal the parchment into a packet. Trap the steam inside. Microwave for 3 to 4 minutes. Let it rest, then carefully open. The result, perfectly cooked, flaky salmon, and vibrant asparagus. No pots, no pans, no mess. Just toss the parchment. This is a complete balanced meal, lean protein, healthy fats, and fiber-rich veggies. Prep packets ahead and microwave at work for a fresh, hot lunch. It's faster than the canteen and 100 times healthier. Don't underestimate your microwave. It's a tool for healthy gourmet meals. Try this once, and you'll never settle for boring lunches again. Healthy eating can be fast, hot, and delicious. Give it a go, your future self will thank you. Lunch, upgraded. Ready for a salad that's actually exciting? Meet the edamame and quinoa salad with miso dressing. Use pre-cooked quinoa as your base, protein-packed and full of fiber. Add thawed edamame for more protein and a sweet, firm bite. Toss in shredded carrots and sliced red bell pepper for crunch and color. Sprinkle with chopped cilantro or parsley and toasted sesame seeds for extra flavor. The star, a quick miso ginger dressing, miso paste, rice vinegar, soy sauce, ginger, and sesame oil. Shake it up and drizzle over your salad. Don't drown it, just coat. Every bite is nutty, savory, and bursting with freshness. This salad keeps you full for hours and crushes afternoon cravings. Meal prep friendly. Store salad and dressing separately. Mix when ready. It's restaurant quality but made in minutes at home. Stop settling for boring salads. This one's a nutritional powerhouse. High in protein, fiber, and flavor. Perfect for weight loss and energy. Eat the rainbow, feel fantastic. Healthy eating should be this colorful and satisfying. Try it and see how good healthy can taste. Your new favorite lunch awaits. Last up, chia pudding with a protein boost, the breakfast, or snack, that makes itself. Mix chia seeds with your favorite milk and a scoop of protein powder, vanilla or chocolate. Whisk well, sweeten if needed, and refrigerate overnight. By morning, you've got a thick, creamy pudding, packed with fiber, omega-3s, and protein. Top with berries, nuts, or Greek yogurt for extra nutrients, and crunch. It's portable, customizable, and keeps you full for hours. Perfect for busy mornings or post-workout recovery. Make several at once, they last days in the fridge. No more skipping breakfast or grabbing sugary snacks. This is real food, made easy. Every jar is a nutritional powerhouse: fiber, protein, healthy fats, and vitamins. The texture is rich and satisfying. No sugar crash, just steady energy. 5 minutes of prep for a week of healthy starts. Stop making excuses. Start your day like a champion. Healthy eating doesn't get easier than this. Try it tonight and taste the difference. Your mornings just got a whole lot better. There you have it. 5 fast, healthy meals for even the busiest schedule. Healthy eating isn't about more time, it's about smarter choices. Every meal is a chance to fuel your body and move closer to your goals. Don't just watch, take action. Pick a recipe and make it tonight. Small steps add up to big results. You deserve to feel your best. Start now. Like, share, and subscribe to SlimSync for more quick, healthy recipes. Your journey to a healthier you starts today.